Hello viewers, welcome back. In the previous question, we saw how to tackle the situations where we have conditions of only one input. But in this case, we are having conditions in terms of both the inputs. We saw that in the previous case, there was a condition that odd number of A's had to be considered. But in this case, we are having a condition such as even number of A's and odd number of B's. So we have to take into consideration both the inputs, both the constraints, and then only the input will be accepted. So as you can see, the logic remains same. The states over here, I guess I made a mistake over here. It is nothing but states. So as we know, the states are something like this and the output is nothing but yes comma no. Okay, so the implementation part is like this. We have to consider both the cases, that is the number of A's as well as number of B's. So what happens is we have taken something like this. It is nothing but A first and then B later. So what happens is Q0 state corresponds to even number of A's and even number of B's. Similarly, Q1 state corresponds to even A odd B. Q2 corresponds to odd A even B, and Q3 corresponds to odd A odd B. Now you might have a question in your mind, what if I change the order of these assumptions? It is totally fine. It is entirely depending on you. You can change the order of this. You can start with odd A even B, odd A odd B, whatever you wish to take, you can take. But the only thing is just make sure the final state has to be the state which is containing even A and odd B. So wherever is your even A odd B, wherever the state is, you have to take that state as your final state. Rest everything remains same, no issues with that. Okay, so depending upon this, you have to apply the same logic as we had seen in the previous question. So just assume that we are in Q0 state. Q0 is already having even A and even B. So if I encounter one A, it becomes odd A and even B. Which is the state corresponding to it? Yes, it is Q2. So I have written Q2 over here. So in the same fashion, you have to repeat the entire steps for the entire number of states. And as a result, you will get something like this. So if you have taken the states in this order, this is what you should have as the result. And finally, as we know that Q1 is a state which is having even number of A's and odd number of B's, that is what was being asked in the question. That is my final state. Let me take one more example. Let me take Q2. So now as we are in Q2, we already have odd number of A's and even number of B's. If we encounter an A over here, it becomes even A and even B. And hence we went to Q0 state. Now you might be asking, what about QS then? QS is a state which is having no values present in it. So it is nothing but even A, even B only, because 0 is considered to be even, right? So in this case, it will be having transitions exactly same as that of Q0. We'll see in the later questions that how to merge the transitions which are having how to merge the states which are having the same transitions. You will come to know later on that these two states, QS and Q0, could be easily merged into Q0 because they are having exactly same transitions on the same inputs. We can do so right now straight away, but I am not focusing on that right now. We will see how to do the merging in the later part of the chapter. So till then, this is how you solve such a question, and based on this we can easily construct the transition diagram and the simulation. So let me quickly go through it. This is how we get the transition diagram. QS is my initial state, and whatever is the transition that we can see in the previous table, that has been replicated over here. And based on that, the simulation is created. As you can see, the first question is having odd number of A's and even number of B's, so it will be rejected. In the second case, we are having even number of A's and odd number of B's, so it will be accepted. So I hope you got the understanding of how to solve such problems. Stay tuned for my future problems, which will be slightly different in terms of difficulty. So stay tuned.